What is good, people of the internet? So for today's video, we're working on the daily driver '08 Civic Si. The visor has broken, and this is a common issue with these things, so let's take a look at it. Oh, you hear that? Yeah, there it is. Look at that. So it just cracked right off there. So I got a new one, so I'm going to need a panel popper or something to take that off. But first, let's go take a look at the new part. Okay, this is the new part. Got it off of Amazon. 30 bucks. Not too bad. Yep, looks like it. Oh, cool. Comes with some new screws too. So, all right, let me grab a panel popper and get that removed. All right, let's take this off here. Looks like I need a flathead. All right, I'll go get that. Pop that out, move it to the side. It's in there pretty good. Wow, these are pretty long. Jeez. All right. Get that out. Cool. This one. I'll just reuse those screws. So they're factory bolts, so why not use the fact? Oh, I'm glad I didn't lose those, but okay. This is the driver's side. Okay. Oh, wow, that's pretty tight. So this is the thing that keeps breaking. Oh, there you go. This is the thing that keeps breaking on these. So we'll see how long this one lasts. But for 30 bucks on Amazon, I can't really complain. Cool. Fish that in. Oh, that was easy enough. All right, hold right there for me. Oh no, I'll get squirrely on me now. That's good. Pull a little bit. Line up the screw. There we go. Alright, now I can drive it in all the way. it down too tight yet. Let's get that into position. This one going. Easiest job I've ever done. Alright, nice and tight. Let me just give this one a good little nice and tight one too. Awesome. Now where's our little cover? There we go. Get that in there like that. I don't know. Clip, clip. Awesome. Perfect. Perfect. One more. 3 times for good luck. Alright, sweet. Well, let's look at this other broken one here. Ooh. What the heck even happens to this thing? Let's take it out on the bench and take it apart, see what's in there. Alright, man, I can't see. Can't really see. Thanks for the lawnmower guy over there. Hopefully you can hear me. But yeah, it looks like there's just this little spring in there and it just cracks and pops out. So, dang. Alright, well, I guess this'll be it. I mean, it was simple install. If yours is broken on yours, I mean, yeah, it takes 5 minutes. Get it done. Alright, that's it for this video. See y'all on the next one. Peace.